Hello, it's me, Sid. Welcome to Tech Girl. I'm back. Yeah, I've been away, but I was working. I've been working on a lot of things, okay? Trust me. If you checked out my previous video where I used the Claude AI to create a WordPress plugin, this is kind of like a part 2 of that video, I suppose. The thing here is that plugin is actually live on WordPress.org. There's fewer than 10 active installed, but let's not talk about that. Yeah, this is a plugin created by me who knew nothing about coding. All right, my work did not really revolve around coding, but I learned how to code. Besides this plugin, I also have a theme that is live. This is a WordPress FSE theme. Somehow this thing has 20 plus active installs, so I guess that's good. I don't know. But yeah, I created this theme as well. I've been learning code and using AI, shipping some products here. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and say these are the best products out there and using AI is awesome, and I'm not one of those folks who's gonna tell you vibe coding is everything. I still believe if you're coding something, you've got to learn things the right way. And yeah, this right here is a tweet I tweeted a few days back on January 19th. Today is 24th. So yeah, I basically said using AI properly is a skill. Been learning PHP, and when I gave AI the full picture, it made things complex, too much noise, so I switched to asking the right questions and doing it myself, using AI as a search engine basically. How do I do X in PHP? Not what do I do here and you paste in your code, okay? That's not what you do. So this is how I've been learning, and I've been shipping some products, I guess, right? And yeah, I guess short plug, this plugin, it helps you create awesome looking galleries like these on your WordPress website. So whenever suppose you upload a video to YouTube, you will add it to a YouTube playlist, right? And using this plugin, you can simply showcase it on your website. Whenever a new video is added to this playlist, it will automatically pull it within this card format, and it's gonna look pretty good. All right, so if you'd like to check out the theme, it's there as well. And yeah, basically I became a ChatGPT or an AI certified WordPress developer. I mean, WordPress.org has given me a theme developer and a plugin developer tag, so I guess it counts for something, right? So yeah, this is where I've been. I developed a WordPress plugin and a WordPress theme. I learned PHP. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm the best, all right? But I can certainly do things now with code, which is pretty awesome. And yes, I basically used AIs to supercharge my learning rather than asking AIs to code something for me, which it might give me a great code or it might give me a completely shit code. I'll say this, I think the best way to use AI currently, if you're not actively in an AI industry, is to use it as a search engine and learn quicker, okay? Because speed is time travel. And about this, I actually tweeted something last night. I said, speed equals time travel. Faster you move, time goes by slower. Want to time travel? Start doing things faster or slower, and you will have done more in less time or less in more time. So normally, suppose I'll write this tweet in about a minute, right? Now, what if I only take 10 seconds? If I only take 10 seconds, technically I'll have traveled back 50 seconds. Does it make sense? It kind of made sense to me, okay? So just use AI to supercharge your learning. A few different hurdles that I came by whenever I was using AI to code. AI just made things complex. It would come at me with the best security practices, even though I'm just creating a plugin for my own sake, for my own internal use. Sometimes AIs would hallucinate. It would give me a totally different function, okay? It happened with Claude, it happened with Grok, it happens with all the AIs basically. All right, it would give me a function, I would try to run that function, that function would render a critical error on my site, and I would ask it, hey, this is giving me a critical error, and it would say, oh yes, totally right, that was a mistake on my part, that function does not exist. And third of all was that I cannot communicate properly to AI, okay? Certain things that I know about the software that I'm trying to create, suppose I was vibe coding, right? I cannot sit there and actively transfer everything that is in my mind into the mind of an AI or into the AI, right? So there is obviously going to be some human error as well. And yeah, I just realized the best thing to do was to use AI to learn how to code so that I can learn coding quicker and I can code things that are more predictable. Like when you're coding something, you can say A plus B equals AB, right? But yeah, when you're kind of reliant on AI, it's not as simple. Like AI can go anywhere, it can give you anything. I don't know if it's really doing A plus B in the back end, all right? So I think the biggest takeaway for me was that if I wanted to build something worthwhile, it was not wise of me to be so much reliant on AI. Basically, that was it. And I'm so grateful that I went on this path without giving into the hype of vibe coding. Because, I didn't just create this theme and this plugin. See, my actual work, my career also revolves around WordPress plugins and stuff. And AI has just been so not reliable. I cannot rely on AI with good conscience, okay? I guess that is about it. I created this video first off to tell you where I've been, what I've been doing, right? And after that, my current stance on AI, I suppose. That's about it for this video, I suppose. There's going to be videos coming in very soon. I've not just been coding, I've been using automations as well. I've created an awesome automation for myself, which I'll talk about it in the next videos. But yeah, that's what I've been up to, and I'm here. I'm still here, alright? I'm still standing. If you don't know that song, it's the song I'm Still Standing by Elton John. It's an awesome song. But yeah, I suppose that's about it for this video. I'm Sid, and I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Take care.